Hello children, so now we will start watercoloring. Step by step I am going to show you. Okay, first we will spread water lightly, and we will use light green, yellow. This is first layer. Okay children, this is first layer we are going to do lightly, and we will spread the color. Okay, see, like this, step by step we are doing. Now this is second layer, light green we are using here. Okay, see, and we will spread it, see, like this. Next, little bit dark color, we'll spread it. Yes, we will give some strokes. Now yellow ochre we will use for the trunk. Egg them lightly, and we will spread the color. And left hand side we will make dark, then right hand side light. Okay, this is first layer, and second layer we will make little bit dark. So this is brown we are using. We will make dark this side, then gradually light. Yeah, okay, so you can mix blue also a little bit with the brown. Okay, so this is third number step. We will make dark here. Okay children, see, blue and green we are using here. You can mix a little bit red also. This is final touch we are giving here. Step by step we are going to do. Strokes we will do. Okay, now strokes we will do. We will make the leaves. Yes, see, step by step you need to do from one side, and you will make the leaves. Then gradually light, right hand side top portion. This portion will be light. Again little bit dark color we are using, down portion. Now here brown and blue we are mixing here. We will make very dark here, say brown and blue, and middle tone a little bit light. Then right hand side ekdam light we will do, and we will make small branch here, using small brush. This is finishing touch, that's why we are using very thin brush. We will make small branch. Okay, good, to give the real effect. So like this you will try to do at home, step by step children. Okay, first light color, always light color, then gradually we are going to use dark color. Okay, see, now we are giving here the finishing touch. So practice children like this. Okay, see you, bye bye.